Hello, this is Alvin with Fortitude Leadership Academy. I want to take a moment to share our new communication tool, which is iMentor. It is an app that we created so that we could better communicate with our good to great mentees as well as our partners and parents. Of course, the website here is www.i-mentor.org, and you would come to this particular website. Once you're there, you would press join. That after doing that, you will go to join our team. Here's a list of our team. We have 3 teams here. Um, Now, if you just wanted to explore the site, you would under the iMentor team fort, click that, and it will allow you to go into the site and see what's going on there. Well, I'll show you that in a few minutes. But our groups are the Good to Great team, ages 5 through 19. If young people would like to join that, this actually I'm speaking to our partners and parents of this particular broadcast here. I'm asking that for our counselors and administrators at the school, if you once the parent signs the registration forms, if you would assist the children or the parents can assist the children in joining the Good to Great, they would press join and it will go to the next screen where they will fill out their information to actually join. And also partners, counselors, administrators, and so forth, if you guys would join also. So it's the same process. So I'm going to talk to the partners today. So I'm going to show you how to manipulate and move forward through this particular app. Um, the first thing I'm doing is I'm going to press join. So no, actually, I'm going to press explore so that you can see what the app looks like. If you press explore, it opens here. So whether you have joined or not, you can actually explore the app to see what it's about. You can take a look at um, some of the things that have already been posted here. And you notice there are 2 groups here that are actually you can see the Mentor Fortitude Partners, and you can see the Good to Great. You don't see the third one, which was Team Fort, because that's a private group that I actually invite only our staff, members of that particular team, to actually join there. But once here, take a look. You see our members here. These are all the people that have signed in. We have a couple of students that have gotten signed in. This shows everybody in the community. We have another student there. This shows everybody. So it's almost like Facebook. You'll see everything that's going on in the community and so forth. So it's pretty much self-explanatory about. It shows some things about us and why we're here and so forth. So that is what the app does when you first log into it and you explore it. Now, if you were to join, if you would have went back to the original page here, press join, and you chose join us, this is where you will enter your first name, your last name. It will send, you press next, it would you would ask you for a little bit more information like your email address. Once you do that, it comes over to me, and then I would approve it. So now I'm going to log in so that you'll see what it actually looks like. So I'm going to sign in because I'm already a part of this group, of course. So I'll sign in with my email address. Press next. And this is the process you would do once you put your first name and last name. It will go to this next page. But because I'm already in, I put my password in. Press next. I'm not going to save it there. I just want to get in for now. So now, same place. I'm in the community. But also, if I go to our partners, it shows up because I'm the administrator. It shows all these teams here. Now, parents will join partners as well as administrators, but they can also join for their child or sign their child up with an email account, school account, or another account to join here. This is where the young people will be. We will share information. Counselors, you're able to also share things from your school. So this is our new tool here for communication. We want you guys to take a look at it. Please join. You'll also be able to invite other partners, other teachers within the school and so forth. So this will be our tool of communication as well as our registration. If you guys have any questions, please do not hesitate to give me a call. We look forward to seeing you in this app. Thank you guys and have a great rest of the day. Thank you.